Hey there. So I know I've had the discussion with you guys about using um, ChatGPT or any other AI to check your work. And I kind of wanted to describe to you the way that you can do it. So this is called a prompt, right? For AI, you tell it what to do, but you have to be very specific. So I've gotten really good at making sure it tells me the right things. So I ask it, I do not want to change the tone or vocabulary of my writing piece. So that keeps it intact for you. And then you say, I need to know the grammatical errors, right? The grammatical errors that are in your writing. And then you tell it, ask me to paste my writing. So of course it'll tell you, please paste your writing and I'll help you identify any grammatical errors. So again, I put in just this random piece and it'll tell you, here are the grammatical issues in your writing along with explanations for each. And it goes through and tells me all the reasons why it's wrong and how it can be better, right? So then it asks, would you like to revise it or do you need more guidance? So at this point, you're going to tell it, I need to know the strengths and weaknesses of my writing. And it'll tell you exactly what's good about your paper and then what is not good about your paper. And I chose something that needed a lot of heavy editing to show you this, just so you can see what it looks like. You can also tell it, which we'll do this right now, right? And it gives you final, like, how you can improve. So the other thing you can tell it is exactly what you're writing, right? This is supposed to be a literary analysis paper. What are my errors? Now, what I put in here is not a literary analysis paper. So it's going to tell me all the things that are wrong, right? And it tells you this is what it should look like. These are all the things that are wrong. And again, it should be telling me there's a lot of wrong things because this is not the right thing. I just chose a random personal narrative paper that I received like 5 years ago. But again, it's telling me all the things that are wrong. So again, you can tell it what it's supposed to be and you can ask for your errors. Okay. You also want to make sure that you tell it, right? I need to know the strengths and weaknesses of my writing. Um, and again, the prompt is I do not want to change the tone or vocabulary of my writing. I just need to know what are the grammatical errors. And again, you just tell it, like, this is basically setting you up for success. This is how to use AI ethically. Now, you are most likely not able to use the specific one at school, but there are other ones that you can use that most likely have not been blocked besides ChatGPT. And I can provide, or at least you would just look up AI that generative AI that can help you. Because again, this is basically being a writing assistant for you. Hope this helps.